welcome to my channel Tech with Checking, and today we are going to see how to install the VS Code in our laptops and open any web browser, and then you can see that the web browser has opened, and now just type VS Code, and once you see this, there is the first official link, and just click on it. Once you click on it, you will see the download on the right side, right? So when you click on this download, it will automatically download, and I'm just clicking on download. Now once I click on download, it will automatically start downloading. Let us wait for some time. Yes, it is now successfully installed, and now we can just open this file, and once you open this file, will be asked to accept the agreement. Just click on accept the agreement and next, and also again next. You may even change if you want, and this takes up to 663.9 MB. Keep that in mind. And next, and if you want to create a start menu folder, you may just click on it, and I'm just going for next. And if you want to create a desktop icon, you can do that. Next, and again install. That's it. It will start installing. Now you can see it has reached the end, and yes, it is done. Now you may uncheck it and then select the finish, and once you see it, go to the search, and here you can go and type VS Code. Once you type, and just press the enter, or you may even go for open. Here you can see that your VS Code is open, and just here this is what it is. Thank you for watching.